Yeah, so continuing with Group B language here. So, our idea of language is oftentimes that's something there's correspondence, a one-to-one correspondence to the truth. That what we say does somewhere along the line correspond to the truth. Um, so we trust our language, right? We don't really think about what our language does, our native language at least, right? It's really only when we learn another language or forced to learn another language that we really start to think about language as this incredibly sort of sophisticated yet fragile mechanism, right? That we load a lot onto, right? So we oftentimes, think that because language comes natural to us, right, that it has some connection to the natural world or some truthful idea of the natural world. And so Nietzsche's, trying to get away from that. He's, trying to show that, hey, language is a problem. And, we really can't, trust it the way that we're used to trusting it. And again, but, as he critiques language, he's really critiquing our use of language or abuse of it, as he might say. He thinks language is a wonderful mechanism as long as we work with it or use it the way it's, as it is designed or what it's capable or what it's potentially capable of, right? So what's he arguing for? He sees language as being metaphorical, not grammatical. Grammatical means it's scientific, it's rational, subject, verb, object, right? Metaphorical is aesthetic. It's playful, it's artistic, it's creative, it's interpretive, right? We have such ability to put the most ridiculous things together in language, put them together in a sentence, and we can make it work, right? And so he sees the sort of aesthetic power of language, not the rational scientific aspect of it, as being the most central aspect to it. So again, do you agree, disagree with his argument, or do you want to, go with more of a both and on the one hand, on the other hand type idea?